don't know if Ian's going to be able to talk because we have literally just got to the NEC car park, haven't we?
Yep.
And they're parking us. It's quite busy as it always is. We're 9:30 in the morning.
What are we in East? Is this East 5?
This is East 5, yeah. We are meeting friends and they've just told us that they're in East 5. But whether we can find them is another matter, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll have to see. But anyway, we're at the NEC, the Caravan and Motorhome show. Wasn't sure if we was going to come to it again this year, but we have decided to, haven't we?
Yep.
And
we're parked.
And we're parked. And I think the bonus is, I mean, because we did come in October, didn't we?
Yeah. I
think the bonus is we don't necessarily need to look at a lot of stuff, do we? So you can have a little leisurely walk.
We're just
going to
go where our feet take us.
Yeah, we do want to look at the new Grande Frontier, don't we?
Because they've got a tag axle on there.
Yeah, so we would like to go and look at that one just to see what
Apart
it's
from
like.
that,
we're quite flexible.
Yeah,
I know we want to look at the solar, although I think you know what you're getting now, but we will have a little look. But apart from that, as I say, I'm quite looking forward to it because we are meeting friends, and it is nice to have a wander.
Have a mooch about.
It's nice to have a wander, isn't it? When you've got loads of things on your list, I just think you just get yourself all stressed out, don't you? And you don't need that, do you?
Well, when we come here one year to specifically buy 2 or 3 different things.
Oh, it was awful.
It was marching all over the place.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it was awful. So yeah, we're quite looking forward to it. Anyway, we're going to stop waffling.
Baby, you give me It's getting a little bit dark. It's, what time is it, Jack?
10 to 6. So we definitely had a full day.
We have, haven't we?
Done a fair few steps, I think. We haven't looked yet.
And we haven't really bought much, have we?
We've been really good.
What have we bought?
A few bits. We did the Hello Fresh green food or thing or whatever it was.
And we've joined up with, what's these behind?
Yeah. Motor Caravanners Club.
Yeah.
Haven't we?
Yeah.
So
we'll see how we'll get on with them.
But yeah, it was. Well, it's nice the last couple of hours, wasn't it? Because it thinned out quite a lot.
Everybody goes home at 3 o'clock, don't they?
Yeah, they probably do because the car park's quite empty as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So.
Well, this car park was full, and now there's just the odd car around there.
I think we managed to see a few bits, didn't we? We saw the Grande Frontier, which is what we was interested in going to look at, weren't we?
It is very nice.
It is very nice, yeah, very nice. Would we pay that sort of money?
No.
No, I don't think we would. But,
Wait till it's 5-year-old.
and it's a little bit cheaper, eh? But no, I think it was quite a good show, wasn't it?
Yeah, big. We didn't get around it all, did we?
No, but as I say, this morning we
went with friends and we had a bit of a laugh, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
Mooching about.
Yeah, we did. It was nice. But I think all our feet hurt now.
Yeah.
And when we get in this car, our back's going to just sink into that seat. Put the heated seat on.
Yeah, and just get my back warm
and then have a little trip out. Well, a longish trip home. Not too bad, is it? About 80-90 mile, aren't we? For this one.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So I think we can end this one here.
Yep.
Unless you've got anything else to say.
No.
If you like this one, if you could like and subscribe, and then if you could ring the bell, would be wonderful. It will tell you new notifications. And for now, I'm going to say bye.
Adios. I covered your face up then.
And we'll see you on the next one.